This week I want to do a quick art journal page. I saw something that sparked my imagination, so I grabbed a bunch of gel prints that I think would be fun together for collaging my background, and hopefully it'll all come together. I decide on straight edges, so I'm using my Fiskars paper trimmer today. The deli paper edges give me some problems, so I have to remember to start my blade up a little higher and then come down and then go up to get a nice smooth cut. I'm using a little Mod Podge with some water in it to attach my papers. You could also use glue or matte medium or gel medium, whatever you like, but I've got a bunch of Mod Podge I need to use up, so that's what I'm using in my journal. I'm pulling out my partial tree stencil here and just going to stencil that on, and then I will just wing it on the trunk. I want my tree to be very light against this dark background so it stands out a little bit, and just putting a couple different colors in here to kind of help it so it doesn't look so one-dimensional. Quickly filling in my stencil spaces, and then I'll create my trunk. Mixing up some paint colors now for my leaves, and I'm not exactly sure what I want, but I'm going to start. My base color is the orange that I always have on hand. I just love that dark orange, and so I'm starting with that and then adding some different colors until I get the look that I want. And then I'll start adding some modeling paste to these, and as I start doing, I realize that this is not the way to do it. So I will grab a couple of my little bathroom cups and put them in there, and it's much easier to mix them quickly in these cups. I found these little silicone tools on Amazon that I thought were kind of cool, and didn't know what I was going to use them for, but I'm wanting to make round leaves today, and I thought this might work, so I'm trying this out, just experimenting, And after I make a few of this size, then I will use a cap from some kind of a marker or a pen to make a little smaller circle. My paste is quite a bit thinned out since I added the paint to it, so I'm not exactly sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm just playing around, having fun, and experimenting. I let my page dry for about a half an hour, and once my paste set up for a little bit, I'm coming back in with a plastic spoon and pushing down just to take care of any points and kind of smush them down just a little bit. Once my first layer of paste was dry, I decided that I wanted an even lighter shade. So I'm just adding a little off-white to my paste and going in and doing another layer with that. My paste cups keep nicely in this plastic bag, so I can come in and add a few more of each color as I need to. Well, that's my page. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll join me in my next one. Bye for now.